It's probably better now. Okay, we need more pupper on stream. Yeah, I believe you. I'm totally with you on that. Is the sound better now? I need to go bring up, listen to it. Yes, it is. Okay, so I'll close this down. This is what I recorded, by the way. Check, I muted myself. Okay, there we go. So here's my test. We started talking about the pupper and the sound improves. Yeah, so this is the test I recorded. The input for Adobe Audition, if we go into Preferences and Audio Hardware, the input is Twitch Mix In. That's the default input. That's the exact same input that OBS is using as well. OBS settings dialog takes a while to appear. I just invoked it, but I'm going to wait for that to appear. Here we go. Now drag it up here. We look at audio. Let's mind this up out. The in, I guess the in is declared out. Hold on. The in is not there. The input is declared here. Hold on, let me get this properties up. It's on this device right here. I don't know if I've tried this, but next time this happens, I'll switch microphones and then I'll switch back to Twitch Mix In and see if that corrects it. There's no refresh here, which would be nice. There's no refresh. Similarly on that, I think there are no properties on it. There are no filters in it. Yeah, there are no filters for that either. Wait, I've got noise suppression in here. Okay, I can maybe try turning that off and turning it back on. That's what we'll explore if this happens again. See if we can figure out and nail where this problem is. We seem to have isolated it to somewhere, something inside OBS. Okay, so now I think we can run. Can we run? No errors are in here. Let's try run. Wouldn't it be nice that after about 2 hours of coding that everything still works and we have a more flexible system? That would be nice. Let's set some breakpoints. Starting up. Loading. Let's see what we got here. I'm right-clicking, but I'm not seeing the menu. Oh, I'm at a breakpoint right here. Okay, cool. Update music players now. Do I have any in here? I got one. Cool. I'm going to just run it. All right, cool. That's looking good so far. Let's take the D&D app and run it. Get ready to push a button here. Where are you? WebSocket connection just came in. Another dumb question. Is information hiding in C# for Dummies? Are you talking about the book C# for Dummies? I think that might be what you're talking about. I'm going to click on Initialize Player Data. The app's up and running. We should see that go away. Good. That's good. Now, that's good. I didn't hear any sound. Oh, because it's muted. Let's unmute it. See if we can hear sound now when we switch.
Fred.
Good. Now let's hit the button for some travel music. Nothing here. No breakpoints hit. Something didn't work. Let's go, why not? Let's go set a breakpoint in our execute sound command. See if we hit this. Hit a button, suspense. Although I'm getting my Stream Deck software is telling me it's not sending the command out for some reason. And that's not good. I almost feel like I should restart that software. Yeah, it is not working. When I'm hitting the button, it should be telling me that it's sending it. No developer I see on Twitch keeps information hiding when developing in C#. When you say information hiding, all members in the class are always public. That's not the case for me. Although, well, these are all public here. Let's see if we can find something a little more interesting here. Well, this is private. I've got two pieces. These are both public because they need to be public in that structure. That all needs to be public because they're event args. Come on, here we go. There's some private. Okay. So yeah, there's some of that. I need to figure out why those aren't working. It's a Twitch thing. I think, was I seeing the same problem? Hold on. Was I seeing the same problem before? All right, let's do this for a second. Let's refresh on the live stream. Let's also refresh the drone game. Front overlay. And the dice. Okay. Do we have control on the main stream? Yeah, my Stream Deck. Yeah, I was having this problem before. Stream Deck software was not allowing me to communicate out via the different accounts, Twitch accounts that I was using. So I've got a couple accounts that I'm using here. That's one of them. Let's open up the account and see what's going on with that. Huh. Yeah, I'm hitting the buttons on the Stream Deck. He's awesome. That one worked on that Stream Deck. Oh, wait, that Stream Deck, that is not a chat window related one. So that is not, that's not a fair test. Yeah, it's like my Stream Deck stopped working, stopped sending chat messages out. Okay, so now what I need to do, let's go into I'm just going to manually type these in. I'll figure out the Stream Deck problem later. It's kind of interesting. A lot of these issues are give me a second. A lot of issues today. Hardware issues, it seems. Strange things happening here. Okay. I am looking for in here. Let's see if I get in here. Nope. So not getting in here. All right, let's do this. What was that that just got plugged and unplugged? That feeling. Should I do this? I guess I have two tests. One of my tests is I can just unplug my Stream Deck and plug it back in, which I think I'm going to try that first. Where are you? There's your Stream Deck right there. Let's unplug it. Uh-oh, camera. Got to be careful. And then plug it back in. Nope, I'm seeing no feedback that it's sending that out. Yep, similarly, nothing is showing up in the chat. This should be sending it out. So the chat messages aren't working anymore from the Stream Deck, sending those out. Let's do this. Let's initialize player data so we get rid of that text up there. And that works. Let's do this. We're going to manually go in and send the message directly just by hitting Enter Combat. So by hitting Enter Combat, we should get to a breakpoint in the code. Okay, better. Parsing that out. There's my sound command. Its main folder is music. That's the data type. Change player folder. Check to see we got a player. We found the player. Good. Wait, what happened? Change subfolder. Did it crash on change subfolder? That might be where we are. Let's go look through that. See what's going on. Let's exit combat. Clear this breakpoint. Okay, here we go. Clear, I think, this breakpoint. Change subfolder. If this music player, there's my expiration date. Play random song. Well, we're calling play random song. That's good, but I'm not hearing anything. That should be working here, right? Pretty sure. Yeah, Pudding says because prototyping is easier that way. Most people don't make commercial software on Twitch. I know that for my TypeScript stuff, everything defaults to public, and so I just run with that. I don't change it. In C#, everything defaults to private, and unless I explicitly make it public. That's true. You can change privacy to while refactoring later on. Okay, I want to go get to my play random song. Play random. Play random song here. Set a breakpoint there. Let's enter combat again. Okay. What's my file name? Music/song 1. I've not played it recently. Active song does not exist yet. All right, let's go inside here. So there's my new audio element right there. And it looked like that was a correct path. It was game dev assets, Dragon Age sound effects /music. So there's the slash right there between the two. /song1.mp3. Oh, we're missing the theme. That's not going to exist. That's not going to exist. Okay. New folder is battle. See what happens here. I should have sound folders. I got 5. Battle's right there. That should work. There's a problem with regards to play random song or the battle one. I think there's a problem somewhere in there. What do we got? Main folders, music. Get file name is coming in. Let's get file name, music, song. The problem is we're missing it's not main folder, it's the active one, I think, is the problem. I think that's my problem here. Hold on. I think we need to do this. Pass in active folder as the second parameter to it. Play random song. Okay, so active folder is now the second parameter. Okay, next we need to go grab this and we need to pass it in there. And I think those are the 2 calls we have to it. And then we need to do this, that, and then active folder here. I think that's going to be better. Let's run it. Let's refresh. We had a breakpoint by chance? Okay. Initialize player data. Okay. Let's enter combat. Now we might need some breakpoints here. Exit combat. Oh, here we go. What do we got? Battle, music. File name, music, battle, song 30. I think this is going to work. We should hear it. But we don't. Exit combat. That's the correct one. Switching, what's it going to say? Music to travel. Play random song. Run it. Any problems here? Oh, this is kind of interesting. So this one, it tried to do it, couldn't do it. But now it says, here we go, playing music, battle, song, 30, MP3. Now we are just hearing some sound effects now coming in. So it could be that it's been working. Look at how quickly it's changing the songs though. Now I'm hearing it. Is it just a loading problem? Let's enter combat. Looks like we have it on the stream as well. All right, I'm going to hit exit combat. All right, so the core parts seem to work, but on a higher level, my Stream Deck commands do not seem to be detected or sent out. And I'm not sure what's going on with that, if it's a Twitch thing or not. But it's the same code that code hasn't changed, but I'm not getting, RefCRT says, I'm off to join a virtual pub meet at the Lock-In, an interesting stream despite the audio issues. Well, thanks, RetroCRT. Yeah, apologies for that, and thanks for your patience. I appreciate that. We will, hopefully be back on Tuesday and never have a problem like this again. I really want my Stream Deck buttons to work, but I'm not sure what's going on. I think I'm going to have to stop the stream, figure out what's going on with those. Why they're not being sent out, why they're not being detected. Even if I type the information into the chat room directly, the same information that would be from the button, nothing happens. So yeah, we're not getting. Actually, should I check? Let's see if I can get handle message breakpoint. Not getting this breakpoint hit. I just typed something into the chat room. We should get here. So no on message received. Is that what's happening? Yep. Oh, we do get this. Hold on. That worked. Okay, hold on. Let's try again. Git command parser. Command parser is null. The user ID is not valid. Okay. So it can't come from that account. That probably makes sense. And for some reason, Stream Deck's, like I say, Stream Deck's not working. So I'm gonna have to look into that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the show. Let's do that. Let's see who else is out there streaming right now. Send your kids over there. Sunday night, join us for Dragon Humpers at twitch.tv/Dragon Humpers. Let's see, is this going to work? There it is right there. Every Thursday and Sunday night. Okay. Wait a second. It's listening and considers me authorized if I type it in here. Nice. Okay. Well, I can make that work. It means I can type in change theme suspense here. Wow. What is going on with the Stream Deck? Does that mean that I can come in here and temporarily change like this to use the CodeRush account instead? Will it work?
Surely is in the house.
So I'm going to hit this button here. Does it show up over in the other account? It's not showing up. Yeah, we saw this die today. This is working this morning and died today. You can hear me or not. Looks like my sound may have just restored. Parts of it may have. Let's get a raid going. Where are you? There it is, right there. Okay. What about someone with only a few viewers?